discuss about the chapter fraction. In fraction, a fraction indicates the equal parts of a whole. So let's take an example. Here we take one whole part of these things. Okay, this whole part is divided into 4 equal parts, and the one part, if we take the one part, then we write this part in fraction form as like 1/4. Means we divide this whole part into the 4 part and take the one part. Okay, so in next example, if we take one brick and we equally divide this brick into the 2 parts and take one part, so this also this in fraction form we indicate this one as 1/2. Okay, means from 2 parts we take one part. Okay, so here the upper part of the fraction is known as your numerator, and the lower part of the fraction is known as your denominator. Okay, next one is your equivalent fraction. In this equivalent fraction, we are going to discuss about the equivalent fraction of 1/2. Okay, so equivalent fraction of 1, how we will write the equivalent fraction of 1/2, how we find the equivalent fraction of 1/2. At first we have to multiply the same number with both numerator and denominator. So here we multiply 2 with both numerator means 1 and denominator means 2. We multiply 2 with both numerator and denominator, we get 2/4. Next we have to find the another equivalent fraction. So here we multiply 3 with 1/2, means with 1 also and with 2 also we multiply 3. Here we get 3/6. Next one is we multiply 4 with 1/2, means here we get 4/8. So both all 3 number we get. With multiply by 2 we get 2/4. We multiply by 3 we get 3/6. We multiply by 4 we get 4/8. So all the numbers means 2/4, 3/6 and 4/8. All 3 numbers are equivalent fraction of 1/2. Okay. Next one is your check whether the following equivalent fraction are equal or not. If we take an example of 4/10 and 16/40, we have to find out the 4/10 and 16/40 are equivalent or not. How will we find? At first we have to cross multiply both the fraction. We cross multiply both the fraction means 4 into 40, then 10 into 16. We get 4 into 40. But with the product is 160. 10 into 60, 160. Then we get both 160 and 160 there. So this proves that both fraction 1/10, 4/10 and 16/40, the two fractions are equivalent. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the types of fraction. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about the types of fraction. In the types of fraction, we at first discuss the like fraction. In like fraction, all the denominator are same. Okay. In the like fraction, all having the same denominator are called the like fraction. For example, 5/8, 4/8, 7/8 and 1/8 are the like fraction because all the denominators are same in this fraction. Next one is the unlike fraction. In unlike fraction having different denominator are known as your unlike fraction. Like 1/4, 4/5, 7/8. Here the denominator are different, so that these fractions are known as your like fraction. Next, unlike fraction. Next one is the proper fraction. What is proper fraction? In proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Here 1/4, 5/6 and 8/9. Here numerator is always less than or smaller than the denominator. So these are known as your proper fraction. Next one is the improper fraction. Here numerator is either equal to or greater than the denominator, so that these are known as your improper fraction. 3/3, 7/5, 25/9 are the example of improper fraction. Here numerator are greater than denominator, and here 3/3 is either equal to or greater than the denominator, so that 3/3 is also also a improper fraction. Next one is mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, consisting of the natural number and the proper fraction. Consisting of natural number and proper fraction means here, let's take an example, 4 whole 4 by 7, 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay, here we read this one as 4 whole, then 4 by 7. One whole number is here, consisting of one natural number, means one natural number is there, and a proper fraction having all together with the understanding they have to be added to each other. Okay, so that 3 whole 1 by 2, 4 whole 1 by 7, having the natural number and the proper fraction. This is the example of mixed fraction. So converting mixed fraction into the improper fraction. This one, let's take example of 3 whole 5 by 8. Okay, in 3 whole 5 by 8, this one is a mixed fraction. We convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How will we convert this one? We have to, at first we know that this one is add with, the natural number is add with the 5 by 8, means proper fraction. So 3 plus 5 by 8. 3 plus 5 by 8 means 3 into 8 plus 5 divided by 8. We get 29 by 8. 29 by 8 is the improper fraction. Okay. So how will we convert our improper fraction to the mixed fraction? We have to divide the denominator with the numerator. So numerator, we know that in improper fraction, numerator is either equal to or greater than the denominator. So that 29 is the numerator. We divide the 29 numerator, which is denominator is 8. We divide this one, 8 divided by 29, we get 3 as a quotient and 5 as a remainder, and 8 as a divisor. We know that. So here 3 is quotient is known as your whole or natural number, and 5 is remainder, is a numerator. We write this one as a numerator, and 8 as a divisor. We write 8 as a denominator. Okay. So this is the process where we get the mixed fraction with the improper fraction. Okay, we are going to discuss to convert the unlike fraction into the like fraction. Into like fraction, how we convert? Here, take an example: 1 by 8 and 3 by 4. Here, 1 by 8 and 2 by 3 both are unlike fraction. So that we have to convert both the fraction into the like fraction. At first, we find out the LCM of both the denominator of a fraction. 8 and 3 are the denominator of both the fraction. So the LCM is 24. We multiply 8 into 3 and 1 into 3, means in both numerator and denominator we multiply 3, so that we get the 3 by 24. And here in 2 by 3 we multiply 8. Okay, 2 into 8 and 3 into 8, we get 16 by 24. Here we find that 24 and 24 means in both the fraction we get the same denominator, 24 and 24. So that this known as we convert the 1 by 8 and 2 by 3 into the like fraction. Okay. Next one is the simplest form. How we from the simplest form or the lowest term we convert the lowest term of a fraction. Here take an example 27 by 72. The LCM of 27 and 72 is 9. So that we divide 27 and 72, both numerator and denominator with 9, means 27 divided by 9 and 72 divided by 9, we get the 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the lowest term or the simplest form of 27 by 72. Next and last one is the number line. How we represent a fraction in the number line? If the fraction is in if we represent the proper fraction in number line, the proper fraction always lie between 0 to 1. Next, here 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means we divide 0 to 1 into 10 parts. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 by 10 places here. Next one is the 1 whole 6 by 10. 1 whole 6 by 10 means what? 1 whole. We completely go to the 1 whole means 1. Then it's lie between the 1 to 2. Means 1 whole 6 by 10. 6 by 10 means what? We divide 1 1 to 2 into 10 parts, and we take 6 number part, means 1 whole 6 by 10 place is here. Okay, so